So here's how to create a Facebook business profile. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, you will need to go to your Chrome browser, and here you have to sign into your Facebook account. Once you are logged into your Facebook account, now here you have to go to the page section. Now you will not be able to create a Facebook page using your laptop or PC device. You have to go to your mobile device to create your Facebook page. Setting up Facebook business profile means set up Facebook business page. To create a Facebook business page, all you need to do is go to your profile and then click on the profile icon at the top right corner, and here you have to click on the page option, and once you click on it, now here it will give you option to create. Here you have to click on the create option at the top, and once you click on it, now here you have to click on the get started option, and here you have to enter your Facebook page name. I'm just giving you a simple demonstration, so I will not go into the details. You have to fill up the details very carefully. Here you have to enter your store or digital business name, and once you enter your name, then click on the next. Now here you have to define the category of your business. After defining your business category, hit on the create option to create your Facebook page, and once you have created your Facebook page, now at this interface you have to enter your general information, add a little bit of bio related to your business, and then add your contact information. You also have to mention your address if your business is a physical business. Now you have to select the hours for your business, and once you have selected the hours, now here you have to add a little bit of more information by adding your logo, and you can also add a cover photo. First, here I'm gonna set add an action button. Here you will see a bunch of options for adding action buttons. You can select any one of these according to your business needs and then hit on the next. To hit on the next, now here at this interface you have to enter your website link, and then you have to click on the save. After that, here you have to enter your contact information and then click on the send code, and once you get the code, now here you have to enter the verification code. After verification, now here you have to click on the next. Once you click on the next, now here you have to again hit on the next at the bottom. Then you have to click on the done option. Now as you can see that my business page has been successfully created. So that's how to create a Facebook business profile.